So this is our home maintenance video to replacing your HVAC filter. So we have a video on here that shows that each individual returns, but most of our houses will have these right here actually at the unit. So we're at my house, and probably your house is a lot like mine. By the time you get into it, there's stuff everywhere, so I've cleaned out a little bit of space, but this is simple to change out. You find this location, you unscrew this one screw, pop it out, and you should have a big whopping filter. So mine's got a 20 by 25 by 4, and you can get these through Amazon. That's probably where we suggest buying them in bulk, having them here. Your thermostat should be giving you a warning, and as soon as you replace it, pull it out, put a new one in. Make sure you reset it on your thermostat so it'll actually detect it, but do suggest about every 3-4 months come and check on it. And then all we're doing is putting these 2 little hinges there back in, screwing it back in, and that is replacing the air filter on your HVAC unit.